So here in Moodle, we're going to have a look at how we add images to our course. So we're going to have a look at how we replace the thumbnail for our course that you see on your dashboard, and then also how we add images to the pages within our course. So we'll jump into this Adobe InDesign course. And the first thing we're going to do is add that thumbnail picture for the card on the dashboard. So we'll come into our settings for our course. In our settings, we're going to scroll down. And what we're looking for here is our course image. So if you have an image ready to upload, then you can come to folder on your desktop and look for that image. Here we've got this designer image which we're going to use, and we can just drag this right across into the course image drop box there. Once that's dropped there, then we can scroll down and we can hit save and display. Now we can also search for files as well. Come back to the dashboard, you'll see right away we have that nice image ready to go for our course. We can also upload by the folder rather than having that folder already up. So if you come to settings and scroll down to your course image, if we click the course image now, we can delete that, we'll click OK. And then if we want to upload a file by browsing our folders, we can click here once, and that will allow us to choose a file by using the file browser. So we're going to come to the same folder where we had that designer image, and the result is the same. We can upload it, click upload, and then save and display that course image, and it'll be ready to go on the home page. Now if we want to add images into the body of our course, then the first thing we need to do is turn on edit mode, and then in here we're going to add an activity or resource. Now we're going to scroll down. We've got this dirt bike project. We're going to add an activity or resource, and we can add images in a number of different places. So the first place we can add it, if we come to resources and go to text and media area, this is going to allow us to add an image right to the main page of our course. I'm going to click here and we'll browse our repositories. We'll come to choose file and we're going to choose this dirt bike image. We'll upload that. Once it's uploaded, then we can add a description. So we'll just type in, this is an image of a dirt bike in action. It's important to add this description for accessibility. And we're going to change the size of our image. So we'll make it 800 by 632. So it's going to make it a bit smaller within our page. And we'll leave the alignment as is. So we'll save this image and it will drop it into this text and media area. So now when we hit save and return to course, you'll see we have this image within that text and media area. That's super useful, but we can also add it into pages as well. So if we have an assignment, we'll click on assignment, then we'll add our title for the assignment. This is the description that will appear on the main page. We're going to leave that empty. But in our activity instructions, we'll add the instructions for that assignment, and then we'll add the image in here as well. So I'm going to hit enter. We'll come to our image and we can browse our repositories. And now we've already uploaded this, so we can go to recent files and you can see that dirt bike image will show up for us. So we can hit that image and we'll save that image. And I've just got the warning that's popped up saying that I haven't added my description. Now you can add the description, or you can check this box for this image as decorative only if you don't have a description for it. But it's important to add these descriptions for accessibility. So I'll hit save image, and you can see now that has popped right into my assignment page. There's going to be a Dropbox and everything there for students to submit to. So we'll come down to the bottom, hit save and display, and you can see when I go to add submission, it's going to give me those instructions. Now you may choose to include those activity instructions here. This means students can't see it until the activity is actually open. But if we want them to see it ahead of time, we can copy this and paste it. And if we put it into the activity description, even though the assignment may not be open, we'll go to save and display, and that will appear as soon as they go to the activity page. So you have a choice there about where you show the content. So we can choose to show it as soon as they click the assignment, go to the assignment page, or in the add submission and activity instructions page, depending on whether you want that content and the instructions for the assignment to be visible before the assignment is opened or after the assignment is opened. And we can also put it in both spots as well, so it's always available for students as well, although we get a bit of a doubling up of the content there. And once we're in our assignment, we can add images into these text boxes here. So I'm going to paste in the assignment instructions. I can stretch this box out, and then at the bottom I'm going to add the image that they're going to use for this assignment. So I'm going to browse my repositories, and instead of choosing file, I'm going to come to recent files because we've already uploaded this. We'll select the dirt bike image and I will select this file and we'll click overwrite, and I'm going to change the size to 800 by 600. Now, if this image were decorative only, then we can check this box and it will mean that we don't have to add a description, but I'm going to add a description here. So this improves the accessibility for this page, and we'll save that image, and then we'll go to save and display, and our image will be there available along with the assignment instructions that we have there. So a couple different places that you can add images within your course, both on the main page of the course and then also in assignments as well. You can also, in most activities where you have the text box, so if we come to page for instance, then we have this same image upload option or insert or edit image. And then in activities such as quizzes, you can see we have that same image option as well. So wherever you see this text box, you can normally add images within the instructions or description for those different activities. If you do have any questions about adding images or setting up your assignments within Moodle, then please do get in touch.